Replacing the brake pads on a Lexus GX470 is perhaps the most easiest do-it-yourself job of all time, because you basically don't have to take out anything. You only take out the wheels. After that, these brake pads, basically once you take out the pins over here, these pins, once you take them out, you could just like slide them out and put in a new one, then you're done. You must be crazy, like paying a shop to do this. Anybody could do this stuff. First we're gonna take out this pin over here. I'm gonna take a video on how it's routed. So this goes to this hole over here, on top of here, and this one goes over here, overlapping the pin. So we can push this one out. Should be loose now. Okay. Then we're gonna need to grab my needle nose to take this out. Oh, I thought I was able to. It's in my hand, but probably not this one. Put some penetrating oil to remove this rod. They're kind of like stuck there. So rod number one out. The two rods out. I'm gonna cut this pin, and well, this is still stuck, so I'm gonna push this one inwards. This one too. Gonna push this trade. Probably you're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to compress this so that I could take this out. Got it compressed in, and yep. This one too. Yep, it's very thin. All the life is used. The new brake pads in. Yep. Let's see. Look how thick are those pads in. I put in the pin. I put in some grease, caliper grease over the pins. Then I just use a hammer. Put that pin in. I'm gonna do the same thing. Got the pins back on both sides, and we're done.